one. Supreme Court in the Facebook case has said that appear before the Delhi House panel. Now, it was a hearing Facebook's plea on a notice by the Delhi Assembly panel, and Supreme Court said that social media platforms have power to influence people, and debates on Facebook have potential to polarize society as well, adding that Delhi Assembly panel has the right to seek information on any matter. Facebook officials can choose not to answer questions. However, that's what the Supreme Court has said as well. Let's go across to Vaidya joining us for the very latest. Vaidya, what does this really mean? Because the last statement that the Supreme Court said that Facebook officials can choose not to answer, but they have to appear.
See, this issue came up before the Supreme Court after Mr. Ajit Mohan, the Vice President of Facebook India, moved the Supreme Court against the notice issued to him by the Delhi Peace and Harmony Committee, which was probing the Delhi riots. So finally, a three-judge bench headed by Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul handed out the judgment. Few issues. One, can he appear before the panel as the power? Panel has the power to summon him. Court said yes, he can appear, but the panel cannot compel him to answer questions on the law and order, because the law and order is under the central government as far as Delhi is concerned. And secondly, court has also said the Facebook official can choose to remain silent, not to answer questions on the other issues. But interestingly, the court has also passed few observations saying that technology has brought in digital platforms which can influence people across the borders, because Delhi riots, that's why the court said across the borders. It can also influence and polarize people because of the certain debates taking on social media platforms like Facebook. So the word polarization is quite important. And court said it's uncontrollable sometimes. These are the few observations. Of course, court has said that the panel, which they addressed the press conference, said that Facebook will be made an accused and a charge sheet will be filed. Court said the panel should not have said this. It cannot don the role of the prosecuting agency because there's no power. But interestingly, all details will come out in a detailed judgment. Of course, the delivery of the judgment was marred by a lot of glitches because of the video conferencing issue.